How to link Facebook page to Messenger app? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to link Facebook page to Messenger app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So you must know that when you open a Facebook page or personal account, it is automatically linked to your Messenger. But what you can do is like to block that messages option. So here right now I'm in my Facebook page. Now I'm gonna click on the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, and then I'm going into settings with the symbol. Now go to page settings and now click on privacy. So there at the bottom we have an option that says messaging. So allow people and pages to message your page. Okay, so we have obviously just two options to on or off that option. So if you tap on off, they're not gonna be able to send you any messages. But if perhaps you want to receive some messages, so obviously tap on. Just remember that Facebook automatically is gonna have a link to your Messenger. Okay, so that's how you can link Facebook page to Messenger app. Thanks for watching.